Hello, today I'm in Renault Kadjar. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this panel. Simply press this button to activate cruise control. Now, when cruise control is enabled, accelerate to desired speed and press set minus button. Now you can release the acceleration pedal. To increase the speed, tilt this knob upwards. To decrease it, tilt it downwards. To pause it, press O button. To reset it, press R button. To start it over from the first speed set, press plus button. To start it from current speed, press minus button. To disable cruise control, switch the button in the middle of the car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.